Hey John, I thought I'd show you the mount. So this is it. This is 3D printed in carbon fibre. So the final one, this text will be bigger. Got HTFU. This hole here aligns exactly with the charge port. So you see, and I've printed the Garmin mount. So when it's done, like this, the idea is to have it very minimal, so to not have anything here, keep the bar area clean, and then this here, I don't know how visible that is on the video, here we go. So this just continues the line of the Garmin, and it's like that on all sides, so it's nice and streamlined, and the mount itself isn't catching in the wind. There we go, that's the front hook profile, and you can see that all the air that hits this, it pretty much just makes a chord with the bar, so I'm fairly sure it should be more aero than with no mount, no Garmin at all. It looks a bit weird with this minus 17 stem, but with a normal minus 6 degree stem, then it lines up nicely. There you go. I think it's come out pretty well.